Hey, if we haven't met yet, my name's Nick.
I'd like to share something with you that I discovered while doing some research this winter. What if I told you there's a way that you can save significant time and money on your yard work this spring? I may be young, but I've been in the green industry for almost a decade. You might be familiar with my other business, Nick Snow. Over the past several years, I've taken a deep dive into the landscape industry and picked out specific services that I feel homeowners aren't getting the optimal value from. I believe mulch and soil installation is the next service to be revolutionized. To have your flower bed mulched, you currently have three options. Hire a traditional landscape company to come in with a dump truck, shovels, and wheelbarrows. Go pick up some small plastic bags from a hardware store, or have bulk material dumped on your front lawn, typically in big 1-yard bags that are difficult to shovel out of. I'd like to introduce you to the blower truck. You're looking at a machine that can install upwards of 15 cubic yards of material per hour. That's like a day's work for a typical 2-person landscape crew. Thanks to this efficiency and the purchasing power we have by buying bulk mulch by the truckload, our prices are insanely low. Our mulch application service costs less than any landscaper, and yes, even less than a big bag delivery. I should mention our ordering process is the easiest on the market too. Simply go on our website and select your color, quantity, and if you'd like us to weed and edge your flower beds or not. If you're unsure of how many cubic yards you'll need, we have an easy online calculator. If that's not enough, you can always reach out for a personal quote as well. Once you've made your selection, you can quickly check out using your choice of payment. Then, all you have to do is wait for our email, giving you a date and approximate time for your application. Why spend hours shoveling mulch when our truck can apply it in minutes?